Hey guys, Thunder here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And we're back in this game. No glitches this time. Sorry, I accidentally messed up the title. I don't know how on the last video. Yeah, but instead of putting instead of putting glitch, I put hacker. I don't know why. Because I'm dumb. Oh, a trident. Well, excuse me, princess. I don't have my 8 tridents yet. Come on. I might lose this. Yep, I'm losing this. And I don't have any jumper too. Why? Let's go! Let's go! I'm gonna turn off this song. Let's go. Sorry about that pop-up. It keeps popping up each time I do that. That was fun. I joined and I didn't know I was in the match, so I kind of went on the match and lost because I was in the bathroom. Alright, don't judge me. Now you know the reason. I'm just trying to level up. Oh. Looks like he left. Yay! 1 by forfeit. Finally he added that because that got annoying quick. Just playing once and then it was just the guys kept leaving. So yeah, I'm officially part of the Uchiha now. Shout out to Karen Bush for making this game, cause it's awesome. And soon they're gonna make. Hopefully they make team fights because why? Oh my god, Dad! What? Alright, I hate this move, but and for using it, I'm a hypocrite. Alright, I didn't get to use it, thank goodness. But still, I really need to win this to like stop. How am I not getting any hits off of this dude? Of course I lost. You guys know the drill. We do 3 matches and it's done for the video. I might just make it for 20 minutes long. I just want a good match. When story mode comes out, I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna finish it before I post it on the channel. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. I had to go do something, and I lost a whole bunch of matches. Oh! Snap. 11 matches lost. No, I'm just playing. That's my win streak. I'm not happy. Mistake. Khan. I said Khan. Guys think wrong. There's a problem with society these days. Kids don't know how to act. Now, if you'll excuse me, I just gotta, not die. So, it's gonna be good. Yay. My fate. Don't like me out. Don't like me out. Do not like me out. Like me out. Oh no. It glitched. Alright guys. I'll be back. Come on. Guys, I'll be back. Guys, I'm back with another video. And, well, not video, game. Because I got kicked from the server. Apparently I was exploiting and hacking. Even though I don't know how to do any of those things. I mean, I do. It's just I wouldn't do it because I read the rules. Probably gonna get 100 Robux. I'm about to show you guys my password. Human or ghoul? Who you? I don't know you. On my face. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Oh, you know what? Kill me. Just kill me. Zooming. I don't know how to play this game. Every 2 hours, you are able to use your reputation as a means to gain rewards. You get 1 yen per point of reputation you have, and you can gain reputation by completing tasks. Reputation does not reset when cashing it out. but it can be reduced if you fail a test. Alright. See how it is. Wait, what was my task? Your task is to kill 19 low rank. I hate this game. How am I supposed to do this? How? I'm only level 1. I'm... Help me. Help me. Uh... So confused. I don't know how it got here. I don't want to be here. I beg of you. You can end me. Okay. No. Alright. That's cool. Okay, how do I change this? I don't like this. Kill me. Oh my. Green. Barrels. Still watch PewDiePie's old videos. I'm from everywhere but here. Run. First of all, I need to fight. Cause I ain't little. Alright. I need to stop. I need to stop now. I ain't no little bib. I said bib. I ain't say nothing but bib. So yeah, calm down. We driving to the moon. On the alright. You mother. By the way, the guy I'm playing with. The guy I'm playing with is my friend. The guy that's right there and just died. I'm hungry now. I'm gonna, like, jump up here. Smash! Oh. No. No, this is too... Ugh. Yo, get away from me. Run. Just go. I don't know how it became a coup. It all just happened. What? I need a mask. What's my task again? Your task to kill 19 low-rank Aguri members. They seem to be drawing too much attention. You'll be rewarded if you draw more attention. By killing 5 humans, you lose the... I don't care. All I need to do is kill I watched the anime. I forgot how to pronounce their names. Aguri? From the Aguri tree, right? Oh, no. Take that. Oh, okay, we're good.